Hello and welcome to the English Effect. Today, we're unlocking a fascinating piece of modern creativity. We're moving beyond simple building blocks and diving into the language of technology and play. Our lesson is called The Language of Smart Bricks, from blocks to code. We'll learn the key vocabulary that explains how a simple brick is becoming intelligent, responsive, and groundbreaking. If you're at a B1 to C1 level, this is the perfect place to expand your tech vocabulary in a fun way. Ready? Let's build our vocabulary, brick by brick. Our first word is crucial for any device that moves: accelerometer. An accelerometer is a sensor that detects movement, tilt, and gesture to trigger specific reactions. Think about your smartphone's screen rotating. That's an accelerometer. In our smart brick, it means shaking it could start a sound. For example, when you shake the smart brick, the built-in accelerometer detects the motion and can trigger a sound effect, like an explosion. This incredible technology fits inside a brick thanks to our next word, miniaturization. Miniaturization is the process of making technology extremely small, such as shrinking a room full of technology into a single 2x4 brick. The sentence, "The miniaturization of computer components is what allows a powerful processor, speaker, and sensors to all fit inside a single Lego brick." And to make it all work perfectly, Lego didn't use a generic chip. They used something bespoke. Bespoke describes something that is custom-made for a specific purpose, such as the silicon chip developed specifically for the smart play experience. Listen, Lego developed a bespoke silicon chip to perfectly handle the unique audio and connectivity needs of the smart brick system. Now, for the system to feel magical, it can't be slow. It needs low latency. Latency is the delay between an action and a response. The system uses a Bluetooth-based protocol to share data with low latency for instantaneous reactions. So you get the latency between pressing a button on the app and the brick lighting up is so low that the reaction feels instantaneous. And what about those sounds? They're not just recordings, they're created by a synthesizer. A synthesizer is an electronic machine that generates sounds in real time based on live actions rather than playing pre-recorded clips. For instance, unlike a simple speaker playing a file, the brick's onboard synthesizer can generate dynamic engine sounds that change in pitch as your vehicle moves faster. Let's take a quick pronunciation break. Many of our words are longer technical terms. The key to saying them clearly is word stress, emphasizing the correct syllable. Listen and repeat after me. Focus on the bold syllable. Accelerometer. 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 Miniaturization. 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 Bespoke. 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 Latency. 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 And the last word, synthesizer. 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 Great job. Let's continue building our vocabulary. All this technology makes the brick incredibly responsive. Responsive means the ability to react quickly and accurately to physical inputs like movement or light. Our example sentence, "The smart brick is highly responsive, changing its colored light the moment it is tilted or rotated." This isn't just a small update, it's groundbreaking. Groundbreaking means innovative and pioneering, a term used to describe the world-first technologies within the platform, as in the integration of a speaker and sensors directly into a standard-sized brick is a groundbreaking achievement in toy design. A key to Lego's success is that new pieces work with old ones. This is interoperability. Interoperability is the ability of different systems to work together. Smart bricks are designed to be fully compatible with the existing Lego system in play. So, thanks to its interoperability, you can attach the smart brick to any classic Lego set, combining new technology with your old creations. This compatibility means the technology adds a whole new dimension. A dimension here means a new aspect or feature. The technology is described as adding a new dimension to brick-built storytelling. For example, sound and light add a completely new dimension to Lego models, making stories more immersive than ever before. Put it all together and you have a major innovation. An innovation is a new method, idea, or product. Lego describes this as their biggest innovation since 1978 minifigure. In summary, the Smart Brick represents a major innovation for Lego, fundamentally expanding how builders can interact with their creations. Here's a fun "Did you know" fact for you. There are more possible combinations of 6 standard 8-stud Lego bricks than there are grains of estimable sand on Earth. This fact shows the limitless creativity of the Lego system. And now, with smart bricks adding sound, light, and motion through miniaturized, bespoke tech like an accelerometer and synthesizer with low latency for a responsive feel, this groundbreaking innovation with perfect interoperability adds a thrilling new dimension to building. See? You already own that vocabulary. Now, your call to action is to try using one of these words today. Explain the innovation of a smartphone to a friend, or talk about the miniaturization of computers. A great place to start is right here in the comments below. Write a sentence using one of our new words like responsive or bespoke. Thank you so much for building your English with us today. If this lesson helped, click that like button. It really helps others find our content. Share this video with a friend who loves tech, learning, or Lego. And to never miss a future lesson, be sure to subscribe to The English Effect and hit the bell for notifications. Practice makes perfect. Until next time, keep building your English. Goodbye.